Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. Today I would like to share with you my first Turkish storybook which I prepared for beginners. This book makes learning Turkish really enjoyable, natural, and effective by combining traditional stories with clear explanations and visual support. Inside, you will find 10 captivating short stories inspired by the famous Turkish folk character Nasreddin Hoca, known for his wit, wisdom, and humor. Each story is carefully written for the A1 level. Important words and phrases are conveniently listed at the bottom of each page, along with their English meanings and sometimes visual cues to make memorization easier. After every story, first you will see a comprehension quiz, and after that, a grammar and vocabulary quiz that strengthen comprehension and boost confidence. And right on the next page, you can find the answer keys for both the comprehension quiz and the grammar vocabulary quizzes. And finally, at the end of the book, you'll also find a complete bilingual dictionary, making it an excellent reference tool for beginners. I hope this book will be useful for everyone who just started to learn Turkish and wants to improve. For now, take care and bye. Kendinize iyi bakın. Hoşça kalın.